What if you could make $100 a day using only AI, without ever showing your face? Today, I'm breaking down the exact tools I use, and how they work together to build a passive content machine. I know what you're thinking. Most videos overpromise and underdeliver. That's not what I'm about. This is real. Real tools, real results, and a faceless method anyone can start today. Let's get straight into it. First up, InVideo. This platform is an absolute game changer if you want to create high-quality videos without a camera or any editing skills. Just drag, drop, and generate. Pick a template, paste in your script, and boom! AI voiceover, stock visuals, and music, all done in minutes. It's what creators like Wallace used in that July 2025 YouTube short. Literally drag, drop, done. You can try it free with the link below. But you might be wondering, what if you hate writing scripts? That's where Writer comes in. Writer is an AI copywriter that churns out intros, product descriptions, hooks, even ad copy. It's like having a 24/7 writer on your team, for free or almost nothing. Just feed it a topic or idea, and it spits out ready-to-use content. Affiliate link is in the description if you want to check it out. Now you want your videos to actually get seen, right? That's where Neuron Writer makes the difference. I paste my topic or draft script, and Neuron Writer gives me high-ranking keywords, outlines, and a full SEO plan for both Google and YouTube. It takes the guesswork out of ranking, so your content actually reaches people who want to see it. If you want to level up, there's a bonus tool, XXAI. It's an all-in-one dashboard for managing your content, tracking SEO, and collaborating with a team. Perfect if you want to scale up or handle multiple projects at once. Links down there if you want to look. So how does all this come together? Here's the stack. First, I use Writer to write content ideas or scripts. Then I plug them into Neuron Writer and optimize for SEO. After that, I send the script to InVideo to turn it into a faceless video. Finally, I'll use XXAI to manage and promote the finished content, or repurpose it as YouTube Shorts for more reach. Let me show you how quick this is. I'll use Writer to write a product description. Next, I drop it into Neuron Writer to find search intent keywords and build an outline. Then, I paste that script into InVideo, and in a few clicks, I've got a finished faceless video ready to upload. That's the workflow. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe. I share a brand new AI income method every week. All the tools are linked below. Try them free and start building your AI funnel today. Want even faster results? Watch the short linked at the end. Let's keep stacking the system.